Hello friends, Amanda from Happy Hop is here. I am very excited to be showing you the second color, or one of the colors in JuJuBe's new Chromatics 4.0 collection, which is Indigo. It is a very dark, like navy blue. It is actually very, very pretty in person. It has this like brushed, I want to say bright gold, but it's like a brushed gold hardware. It's very pretty. That's about the color. And I'll post pictures in the blog post as well to give you more accurate colors because I know it's kind of hard on camera sometimes. So Chromatics 4.0 launches April 13th, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So like I said, there's two colors in the new Chromatics line, Indigo, which is this, and Lilac, which I will post in another video. JuJuBe was nice enough to send me a Super Bee and a Be Cool. So let's go through the features of the Super Bee. It has handles so you can wear it over the shoulder, which is really nice. And then it also has these little hoops on either side, so you can actually get messenger strap if you want to wear it as a messenger, or I usually put it over my stroller handlebars if I don't want to be carrying it. So it does have 3 pockets in the front. The 2 outer ones are unzippered. And then it does have a middle pocket that is a zipped one. And then the back has a magnetic pocket, and it is a very, very big pocket. And then I can show you the interior lining. Again, JuJuBe does the light colored interior lining, so it's easier to find things in your bag. So it's this really pretty, like bright champagne color. It coordinates really well. It's like a gold champagne. It's really, really pretty. All right, so on the interior of the Super Bee, you do have a key leash, which again, my favorite. And then you have 2 mesh pockets. Ooh. 2 mesh pockets right here. And then 1 zippered pocket on this back panel. And one of the things I love about the Super Bee is that it is not structured, so you can stuff it to the brim, or you can just you don't have to. I like it for when I travel. I can, if I need an extra bag, I can fold this up and put it in my BRB, and then I have an extra bag if I need it. Today we are actually going to pack this up as a beach bag. It is almost that time of year, and so I am ready to head to the beach. All right, so I have my kids' water bottles, and these are thermos water bottles. So I got 1, and these are going to go in the outer pockets, so they're on the unzipped ones. And then in this middle zipped pocket, I'm going to put my iPhone 12 Pro Max with a case and pop socket. And it's a little bit of a tight squeeze to zip it, but I can zip it, and I don't feel like it's gonna break the zipper. I'm not gonna put anything in this back panel today because I don't feel like I need to. Like I could put like magazines in there if I wanted to, but we're gonna pack it up in the main compartment. All right, so wipes, Orchid Hearts pouch is gonna go in one of these mesh pockets. And then my sunglasses are gonna go next to it. I'm trying to, it's hard, I'm trying to show you. All right, and then keys are gonna go on the key leash. So I got my keys, and that's gonna go on the key leash. Toss that in there, and then in the zipper pocket, I'm gonna put my wallet in there for safekeeping. And then I'm going to use some pieces from my Be Set Into Die For. to use with my Super Bee. So this is a medium piece in To Die For from a Bee set. And I have my medicine, bobby pins, the usual, hairbrush, lotion, eye drops, sun stick, hand sanitizer, gum, lip balm, pinch relief and trimmers, nail trimmers, and then some tummy ones. And then that all gets zipped up in my Bee set piece. And we're gonna put that on the other mesh pocket next to the Orchid Heart Swipes. All right, and then I have my small Bee set piece, also in To Die For. I love the Bee set, they're so great. So I have my fuel rod, my charge cord, and then some my earphones. And that's all gonna go in that, get zipped up, and that's gonna go next to the other Bee set piece. All right, and then I have 3 towels, one for each of my kids and then myself. I kind of got varying towel sizes. So this is a sand cloud towel, which I love these towels. They are absolutely amazing. And I really like them because they're thin. And then I got just like a regular kind of standard size towel. And then I got a Pottery Barn towel. If you've had one of these, they're very thick. Like you can see there, it's a very thick towel. So I wanted to kind of give you the different sizes and thicknesses of the towels. So I have 3 towels. You can kind of see the difference in thickness. And we're just gonna put that right here in the bag. And last but not least, I'm gonna give it a little shake. Last but not least, you need sunblock. So I have my spray sunblock in there, and that's just gonna kind of go wherever there's room. And I could probably fit like a light sweater or a jacket for the kids. You can kind of see there's still a little bit of room up there, and I can still zip it up. But I'm not gonna fill it to the brim today. So that is the Super Bee. And then they also sent me a Be Cool. So we're gonna pack that up for both my kids. So the Be Cool does come with an adjustable strap. And then it has this front pocket right here in the middle, or in the front. Right. And we're gonna do a square ice pack right here. And I got these at Target. And then we're gonna do one whiskwear. It has all of the containers on it with the lid. So we're gonna do 2 of those, one for each of my kids. And then we're gonna do 2 bars. We're gonna tuck those in the back, kind of wherever we can. And then we have 2 packs of gummies. And then we have 2 boxes of little yogurt raisins. And those are actually gonna get tucked right in the lid. And there you go. We are ready for a day at the beach. So there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I will leave the lineup for this collection as well as some comparison prints in my blog, which I will leave that link below as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!